In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet without app. If you don't want to download anything or you're on a device where installing apps isn't possible, the web version of Google Meet has you covered. It runs right in your browser and gives you the same core features you expect from the app. Start by opening a modern browser. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari all work well, and go to meet.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Once you're on the homepage, the layout will feel familiar. You can start a new meeting, join one with a code, or schedule via Google Calendar, just like you would in the app. Before you jump in, check your camera and microphone. The first time you use Meet on the web, your browser will ask for permission to use them. Click Allow so people can see and hear you. If anything looks or sounds off, click the settings gear to select the correct camera, microphone, and speakers, and use the preview to test them. Hosting a meeting from the browser works the same way as in the app. Click New Meeting and choose to start an instant meeting. You'll see a link and a meeting code you can share with others. Copy that link and send it through chat or email. Participants can join from their browsers as well, without installing anything. When you enter the meeting, you'll have the familiar controls to mute and unmute your mic, turn your camera on or off, and manage participants. All the essentials are right there on the web. Use Present Now to share your entire screen, a window, or a specific tab for cleaner demos. Turn on captions if you want live subtitles. Open the chat for quick messages and links, and use Raise Hand to get attention without interrupting. If background distractions are a concern, look for visual effects to blur or replace your background, depending on your browser's capabilities. For the best experience, keep your browser up to date, close heavy tabs before you join, and use a wired connection or sit close to your Wi-Fi router. A headset can improve audio quality and reduce echo. If the page doesn't load correctly, refresh the tab or try an alternate browser, and that's it. You can use Google Meet fully in your browser, no app required, from starting a meeting to sharing your screen and managing participants. Try it now at meet.google.com and you'll be ready for your next call in seconds.